Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know it.
So we're just coming into the village of Blackmore, which is not far from where we live, not far from Chelmsford and either. And we came here last time when there was a village fete on, and we didn't have a chance to have a look at the church here, which I've been fortunate enough to play at. But we did donate to its restoration of its 15th century, it's probably older than that, spire. So we're going to go and have a look at that, and then maybe partake of a little libation, because it is quite warm today, hitting about 30°C they reckon, which is probably a little bit too warm to be riding around a motorcycle. Ooh. So we might pop into the Prince Albert. And this is Blackmore Crossroads, and we're just going to turn right into Church Street. As you can see, it's a very old town, or village. Is it a town? It's probably more of a village, Blackmore. Village. A parish, yeah, the parish of Blackmore. And this little access road is quite beautiful. There is parking at the end of the road, yeah. I think certainly not going to disturb anyone along here. And here we are. As you see, Save Our Tower, Tower of Priory Church of St Laurence. We need £200,000, and we're going to go and have a look at it. Okay, so this is St Laurence Church, and there you can see the church tower, and it is an original, obviously, to the church that was built then onto the church, and that dates back, don't know, I'll have to look it up and put it on a video, but it's definitely pre-1500s, and they're trying to raise £200,000 to restore it. As you can see, the wood, all the original oak, having been inside it as well, they are massive beams, and all those slats at the top need replacing, so it's quite a big job. And I think beautiful architecture like this, it doesn't matter whether you're religious or not, but it's architecture, isn't it, and it should be preserved, and it's part of our history, so definitely worth the effort. When we came here last time, we did have a little walk through the cemetery, and apart from them being very peaceful places, we always look for a war grave. Now in the UK we have a War Graves Commission for the Commonwealth in the UK, and they are responsible for maintaining war graves. They do a very good job, certainly in the mass cemeteries in France, Belgium, and those places in Europe post World War I and World War II. But of course a lot of soldiers, airmen and seamen were repatriated, or they died at home of their wounds, and so you end up with the odd war grave such as this one, which, if I come down, kneel down, you can see it. T. Sutton, who was a gunner with the Royal Garrison Artillery, and he passed away on the 21st of November 1918. Well, the war finished officially on the 11th of November 1918, so sadly he may have died of his wounds sustained during the war, but was fortunately brought home and buried here in Blackmore. Just looking around to see if I can see any of them. They are distinctive in their shape, war graves in the Commonwealth and in the UK, and you'll see with previous videos of mine I've mentioned them before. And here's another one. And this is Joy Woolard. So Joy was buried here. She was part of the Women's Auxiliary Air Force, and she passed away on the 8th of November 1943, aged only 21. Now, World War II, a lot of women served with the RAF on their bases, and of course they were subject to the bombing by the Luftwaffe. So she may have been a victim of an air raid attack. We don't know. I should do some research and see if I can find out a little bit more about her. Doesn't appear to be any more. So, like I say, Blackmore may have been a small village and only a few people served with the forces, or they buried elsewhere in the thousands of war graves in the Commonwealth and in the UK. Okay, so this is Anne's new ride. It's a Tiger 900 GT Pro by Triumph. Very nice colour, which is, I think they do them in the white, the blue, and that's it really, and a black. So I've just been told from my lovely assistant to the right. I haven't put anything much on it at the moment. We've got a hugger that's on it. That was an extra from, not Power Bronze, where'd you get it? Pyramid hugger. I'll show you that in a minute. Radiators cover, yeah, that's the new Pyramid hugger. It only comes with a standard fit. We took that off yesterday and put that on. That's quite nice. You can get them in blue apparently, but Anne went for the black. Top box, which is a Triumph top box. Very nice. You can get a larger one, which is a double helmet one, but we thought that, or Anne certainly thought it was a bit too big. Yeah, lots of comfort on this one. We've got heated seat front and rear, and then you've got cruise control, heated grips, a massive TFT screen which gives you all the information you need, and it also Bluetooth links for phone and to your GoPro, so you 7 and above. The good news is I'm insured to ride it, so we'll have a little go later on, but we've got to run it in first as well. So lots of spec, but it's all online, and there's loads of reviews of these on YouTube, so I won't bore you with all the specifications. Just to say it's a lovely looking bike. They're very popular at the moment as well. And that's that.